It's nothing better than stepping back and admiring the beautiful work you've made. When I finish my artwork, I like to frame it. It just elevates it even more. If you are someone who enjoys making your artwork on canvas, I want to show you how you can save a little bit of money making it on your own. For the frame that I'm making today, I'll be using 1x2 pine wood. You'll first need to cut the end with a 45-degree cut. Then I like to measure and mark where I need to make my next cut. The size of the wood you cut depends on the size of the canvas. I make my cuts a little bit bigger since wood expands and contracts. Once I have my mark, I cut it in a 45-degree angle. If you don't have a miter saw, you can accomplish the same cuts using a miter box and saw. It costs around $20 and will take some arm power to use it. Here's another view of it. What you'll want to do is place the blade in these slots. There's one for 45-degree cuts, then there's a straight cut and 45-degree cut. Make sure to place the wood against the edge of the miter saw. You may need to clamp it down to a table if you don't have someone near to help. It did the trick. Once you finish making all of your cuts, I like to lightly sand the edges and do a dry fit to make sure it fits the canvas. Next, attach the pieces together using wood glue and clamp it together until the next day. To clamp it together, you could use corner or band clamps. I'm using band clamps. Okay, it's the next day and it looks like the glue completely dried. If you have any gaps, it is time to fill them with wood filler. Once the wood filler dries, lightly sand the edges. Okay, so I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I like to add corner braces on the back of my frames. By adding them to the back, it allows me to change the canvas out as often as I like, so I can use the same frame and then put in a different canvas if I wanted to. After it's attached, feel free to paint or stain it. Once that dries, add in your canvas, attach it to the corner braces, and hang it on the wall. If you're wondering how to hang the frame, there are several ways to do this. I recommend purchasing a picture hanging kit. It will have everything you need. If you like this video and would like to see more, check out these videos.